Hello viewers, this review is for NTONPOWER 12 outlet plus 4 USB review here. I'm going to do the unboxing first. Alright, so as you can see, it has 12 power outlets. It has a on-off switch. Also it has a 4 USBs outlet that you can use with your cell phones or any devices that uses USB. The input is 100 to 250, so it can be used worldwide. And as you can see, the USB output is 5 volt equal 2.4 amp max each port, and the total output is also 5 volts, 4 amp, total 20 volts. It's very well designed. It's very sturdy. As you can see, the wire is very thick wire. Now I'm gonna plug this in the outlet and we'll demonstrate that all the outlets are working fine. Please stay tuned for Alright, so I'm gonna plug in this power bank. As you can see, the light turned green. Also, the unique feature it has is the light. When you turn it on, there is a light there, so you know it's on. Each outlet, the light turned green. I'm not gonna do every single outlet, as you know, if one is working, other should be working. Also, I'm gonna show you this USB output. The light is green. It is charging pretty fast, as I've done it past 2-3 days. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos from What's in the Box.